The overall price of this, you guys won't believe. I paid. All right, man, there's a way I take to work, and I'm gonna show you guys because it has turns and twists like that. That way you can see the Camaro turn, and you know, man, I love this car. Got a CTS-V over there. I don't know if I can get a. Yep, there go the V. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. If you're new by any chance, hit that subscribe button, and about time you come out, brother. But you guys know by the title what's gonna happen in this video. I ain't gonna talk too much about it, so leave your comments and subscribe. Just pulled up at the Wendy's parking lot, and we might be here a minute. I'm hungry, y'all. I can't work when I'm hungry. I don't know how many people are like me in the world, but I gotta need some food. And I don't know if you guys realize this, but I'm filming on my phone. It might be a little different. I don't know how it's gonna go until I go home and edit the footage. Ooh, look. Check out the muscles. Bro, this light. We've been sitting here for 5 minutes. Look at the line. Oh my God, look, and it's still going, bro, man, y'all see that? That's what I'm talking about, bro. 5 minutes, and you letting all these other cars go.
The hell?
Jesus, about time, man. It don't make no sense to me. It really don't, bro. That's 7 minutes. 7 minutes at a freaking light. How's he feel?
So you don't want to trade cars for today, bud?
Yeah, we can.
Keep my car seat in the back and everything.
All right, guys, just left the oil place, and let me show you 1% oil life. So look at these hands, extra crispy. But they did a good job, and the place I went to, let me show you right here. There you guys go, man. So if you want to go, they do a good job. The number's there. I'm gonna put it on the screen later on in case you guys can catch it. And what I got done is pretty much the normal maintenance, all the little pros and cons of everything. And as you can see, no thank you, because they got me in there, and I was in there for about maybe 20, no, I won't say almost 15 minutes. And as you guys can see, 2019 Camaro, that's the date I got it done. And the overall price of this, you guys won't believe, I paid $113. Usually it'll be like maybe 130 or 120, depending on the place you go to. I actually got I don't want to say some change off of it, but they did a good job, you guys. Also too, shout out to Trent. He was in a video, man. He took care of me. Let me show you what all they did. Let me show you. So he said they vacuumed the floors, but I still see dirt. Look at that. You lied to me, Trent. So what I'm doing, I'm going the back way to, like, you know, they got a little canyon or, you know, twists and turns or whatever you want to call this. And I like going this way because it's smooth. It's not a lot of traffic. Also too, you know, you can test the car out. So as you can see, you got turns. Some of the streets aren't that good here either. So except those are some good streets down there. So right now I'm in track mode. taking these little turns. You're gonna take these little turns. And I kind of like track mode when you're taking turns like this because the car just, it handles so good. Matter of fact, you don't even have to use brakes at all. But when I was in that Scat Pack that one time, man, you just,
Oh!
Right. Yeah, I'm going for sharp on track mode. Okay. Kind of cut loose a little. I love this thing. I love this car.
Dang, look at this Thunderbird going. Like, dang. Brakes, you guys. Look at that. I love this car. I love this. One of my favorite turns right here. All right. Now let's see what the cows do.
And we just pulled up at my favorite place, the gas station. Yeah. But you guys, I know this was like pretty short video. It really wasn't much going on because the sky is about to rain, and I don't like filming when it's like the weather's like this. And look at the heads-up display. It's crispy right there. But also too, my next video is gonna be talking about let me see, where is it? My miles. You know, I hit a 20,000. I'm gonna tell y'all what the bad things that happen with this car, the good things, you know, stuff like that. So stay tuned to that next video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Deuces.
I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly, thoughts jumbled round, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative, I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let them win, I'll take a stab. I wanna chase a bag, I wanna weigh, I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts, I got a taste in that. Got me obsessed with the rest, I got an itch to scratch.